Hello everyone, Matthew Simmons here from Simmonsessentials. I want to bring you another revisional design. Let me bring my camera in so you can see the knot better when I start doing it. I'm bringing you the Wreathed Scepter knot. So I did the King Scepter and then Linwood Darkest did the original Scepter. So I'm going to do a different Scepter. This is the Wreathed with the Wreath technique. So again, left side is at the belt line as usual. Just going to come over here. We're going to put in a dimple. And I'm going to come over here like this. And I'm going to come up and over like that. And I'm going to have the tie folded like straight like this, and I'm going to fold it like that. Then I'm going to bring it around, and then I'm going to have it around like this. So here's our scepter right here. And then I'm going to go one more time around like that. So there's our scepter. And let's tighten it up. Let's kind of extend it down like this. So let me then do the wreath. So here we're going to do the wreath around once. And then we're going to come around like this. We're going to come through like this. And there you have the Wreathed Scepter knot. Let me go ahead and put my buttons down so you can see it. This is what it looks like. And again, to see the pictures of this, go to my Instagram, Simmonsessentials, and you'll see it. You'll see all the pictures of all the knots I've created and then tied. You'll see it right here. There's your wreath, there's your scepter, and then it's just kind of wreathed around it. So there you go. On your side, my friends, you're fearfully, wonderfully made, and we'll see you in the next video.